Sweetie, you're ungrounded. Yay! Are you gonna be good? Yeah. Okay. Did your sister said get some tea? Yeah. Well, I think you should get some tea because you're coughing out mad mucus. Okay. Apologize. Sorry about that. Mom. I can't help it that I keep coughing on mucus. Please get some tea. Or cough drops. Let me get this last one out. Tea, please. Okay, fine. Tea. I don't want tea. Keep coughing.